What if I told you that while you're sleeping, someone out there is making money without working a 9 to 5? Not because they're lucky, not because they're rich, but because they chose a smarter way to earn. Today, I'll show you 5 simple passive income ideas you can start today. Yes, today, even with zero experience. Stick around till the end, because the last idea might just shift the way you think about freedom forever. Number 1, print on demand. Ever dreamt of making money from your creativity? With print on demand, you create a design once, and it can pay you for years. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, sites like Redbubble, Teespring and Etsy do the heavy lifting. You just upload your vision. No inventory, no hassle, just you, turning ideas into income. Number 2, affiliate marketing. What if you could earn by sharing what you already use and love? Affiliate marketing lets you do just that. You recommend a product, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. No product to make, just trust, authenticity, and strategy. From YouTube to blogs to TikToks, your voice becomes your business. Number 3, digital products. People crave tools that save them time, and that's where digital products shine. Think planners, ebooks, checklists, Notion templates. You create it once and it sells on autopilot. It's not just passive income, it's scalable, limitless, and completely yours. Number 4, YouTube automation. Don't want to be on camera? No problem. YouTube automation is the secret of faceless creators earning full-time incomes. With AI voiceovers, stock visuals, and a story that matters, you can inspire millions without showing your face. Build a brand, grow a channel, get paid while you sleep. Number 5, dividend income. And now, the most powerful yet quietest form of passive income, dividend-paying stocks. This is the long game. Invest in companies that pay you simply for holding their stock, month after month, year after year. It's not flashy, but it's freedom. Freedom that grows while you live your life. You don't need to be a millionaire to build passive income. But you do need to start. Start small, start messy, start scared even. But just start. Because a year from now, you'll wish you had. So, which idea will you try first? Comment below and let's build this journey together. Subscribe for more ways to live smarter, earn better, and grow your millionaire moves.